Sanibonani Ndumelani Apshini. Hi, welcome to Tumi's Tea Elishisa Be. Usamke also mentioned ukuthi I am tired, but ngiya-understand ngizothini. Ngizobekezela. Waziwabekezela shem usasemncane intombi. Mara anyway, they will say ukuthi kuyabekezela emendweni. So now nje you are just in the practicals zome. Ngifuna ukuthi bengasi ngiyamposta. But the sad thing is the fact that in as much as Usamke says that she is tired, but she understands ukuthi there's nothing that she can do. She's right, you know. I can tell you. It's not like so she needs to just be patient. And one thing I've realized, Usamke knows what she wants, you know. You can tell from that last episode where they were having him foot massage, and told her and then yesterday I saw a change. Samke, like you can tell that she was listening attentively. She was not back chatting because she's like, hey. Mselegu said he needs to fix things with his wives. I mean, I'm wondering what will happen to Samke if Mselegu takes 5 years for the wives to accept to some, because you can see Mangwabe and Makumalo, they are not like Abayengeni. And the sad part is the fact that Mangwabe no Makumalo, they are friends. So if Abayengeni and they're influencing each other, I can tell you, so I don't see Usamke being accepted anytime soon. Even next year, I don't see her being accepted. From the words that we are hearing from the other wives, can tell ukuthi isazobandela endlela for Usamke. Well, Usamke said she has all the time in the world ukulinda a ring, which is good. I mean, you can still be enjoying. The sad thing is that you have all the time in the world to get married, but unfortunately, you don't have all this time in the world to have kids, because Mselegu is like not compromising. It's like you must always remember what uzele ukuzozala. The part that got me thinking was when the production team asked Usamke if she has a reason to hate the wives, and uzophendula how wangena ubaba wathi angifuni ukuthi uthi ngoba uzoqinisa uzonda abanye abafazi uthi the reason why ngingakwazi ukungena is because abanye abafazi. Oh, poor Samke, she cannot even speak. Hayibo, it's giving father and daughter. Yabazi abazali awazi nokhuluma. He is a very wise man. He can see ukuthi Usamke, whenever she opens her mouth, akacabangi phela le ntombazana sesemncane. Usamke is ruining her chances of having a relationship with the other wives. I mean, ufuna ukungena, ufuna ukuthi bakuqolele, ufuna ukuthi bakuthande, ufuna ukuthi bakamukele, but when yet you are out here, uma bakunikeza i-chance kuma diary room, ufuna ukushayela i-content, ufuna ukusenzela i-drama ubhizi bakhuluma kabi. No, Samke asalumncane, but ingqondo nayo mayisebenze. Don't be like uMakhumalo. Makhumalo is already inside phakathi. Ufuna into kumele unqenge. So nawe nje you must be mindful of the things you say on the diary room. Ungadakwa ama-camera, ngoba at the end of the day those same cameras won't be there when ufuna ukuthi uzitholele ispace yakho sokuthi ukwazi ukubona indoda yakho kamnandi ukhululeke kube nendlu yakho. But if uzoqhubeka wena mabaqala bakubuza ama-question uthi uzenza uMakhumalo, yes sano lampe manje ngabe banitholele imoto yakaJeku. Is it Jeku or Omoda? Mara ngalo mlomo wakho tell manje awunamoto. Remember how Umakhumalo was with Umaqele? That's how she was able to get inside. Makhumalo was a very humble woman. She was the best. She was the best woman out of all the other wives. Everyone aspired to be a woman like Umakhumalo. Because Umakhumalo she was saving Mselegu no Maqele, because she knew ukuthi yazini funa ungena funa bene kanti phakathi inside. And she got inside. Wayenzani? Wasebenzisa ingqondo futhi zange ayiphakamise le ntombazana. Uziphakamisa manje ngoba uyazi usengakwazi ukuzenzela. Even naye Usamke at a young age, that surname carries a lot of power. She needs to be wise. Ayekela abantu abamkhohlisa bamtsho ukuthi hayi wena baphoqe batshela usaluyiwani sisi. Vuka emaqandeni, vuka. Otherwise uzoyithola uhleli ngaphandle nabantwana bayithumisela ukuthi hayi mina angeke kusalunga lezo sikhathi ngaphandle. Papa so phakathi njengoba ngaphandle zehlise again, zehlise umuntu wazi ukuthi uMakhumalo noma ngwabe noma yena ababona intanga zabo. Ungaphiki no because phela kanandaba. Because is inside, Ethnic King is inside phakathi, and she's the ruler. Wena you are nothing. Unguzero kule family. Yabona Umseleko kube kuthatha serious kube kudala sekakufakile, but Umseleko uyakubona ukuthi lama action wakhe lo ithi ngenze ngithi ngim-assesse futhi kancane because of the things that she says. And I'm watching there, like, I'm like, yes, I'm not married, but I'm just watching. Yes, but especially single people, we are the best analysts when it comes to relationship. Like, I'm sitting there with my pen and paper. I'm like, Samke, don't do it. Samke, just keep quiet. Because I do know Umseleko wamkhatha. Ngoba nje Samke was already, you could see by the attitude they were saying. Mina, when Makhumalo said she's arrogant, I understand Makhumalo vele is a monitoring spirit. Mara, when they said she was arrogant, I supported uMakhumalo because uSamke akazehlisi. For someone who ofuna ungena, for someone who is number 5, uSamke is very arrogant. Ayazali umzalile umethuli mara ntombi. Abo said wena ngoba uyazala kumele senze abantwana. Shuthi angeke uphumule lapha kuSamke. Kushuthi Labour White izohleli welcome uSamke. Uyothi makasaqeda nje athubeka lo phansi babe sebathi omunye. Hey, Umseleko and Samke, they are definitely gonna be busy. Yabona nje yena noMseleko akusazoba busy. But I feel like you question Umseleko when he asked uSamke ukuthi umithi na, and uSamke was like, no, angikho mithi. I felt like that was a hint that there's something happening inside uSamke. Not that I'm saying that she's pregnant because of unomkhaba. No, I'm a woman, so I understand those type of vibes. But you never know. Probably next season, maybe something might come up, because one thing we need to know is Abomseleko bashuta qala and then they edit and then they go through the diary room. So maybe with diary room, maybe something is happening, something is cooking inside uSamke asazi. When Umseleko mentioned that otherwise Usamke was so bored kesana, she was even rolling her eyes with, oh my god, here we go again. But Umseleko is not taking the hint. Umseleko is like, hey, zoyenza ndewe ngikhona ngakhona because ngiwudriver wale relationship wena uzolalela mina. But apparently one of the wives said ukhuluma ngathi wena uhlala on the sky, and from my understanding I feel like that was Makhumalo. One thing about Makhumalo akadlali. Makhumalo bakunenkinga uyakhuluma lo yanje akanasikhathi sokuluka busy atakataka lokathi yenza ukuthi next week she addresses it right now right here. Akekho omunye. That was Makhumalo's ways ukuthi yazini utshele lo Samke wakhe ukuthi ayeke ukukhuluma ngathi nje uhlala lapha phezulu emoyeni. Mina I wonder ukuthi okay fine, if ungahlala emoyeni yini nizodibana kuzoyenzakalani, because that's the only time ungatshela umuntu ukuthi ungakhuluma ngathi you are staying on the sky because sizohlangana unless asazi. So Mangwabe, when they talk about the fact ukuthi akayithathi nonsense, sometimes I feel like, oh, it's all an act. And the fact that even off camera she's like, hey, angiyithathi nonsense. The fact that wathola Umseleko ezihambela noMakhwela abaphakathi kwemoto kukhoze kumnandi khala bo family values makathi inhlana nguMangwabe. Mangwabe wamthethisa maceda umthethisa wathi mkhozi mthathe umngani wathi hey ngithi video call. Wathi ngithi video call lapho Umseleko angazi ukuthi uyele wayiphendula i-video call kwayenzakalani, but hey kusho khona ukuthi makathi video call shuthi uSamke kumele azifile nomethula enze sure ukuthi akakhali, because once bakhala wazi kahle uMakhumalo ukuthi bebekhona hey uhlongikhaho sabola. Hayi ziyabuya yabona uSamke shema hayi yazi uSamke ziyamshubela hayi sona ngoSamke bafezwe imagine uSamke makabiza uMakhumalo i-monitoring space ngithi unamanga umntwana abantu he uyadelela mara what is it called lento lezi ezenziwa uMakhumalo zibizwana. You know, I used to love Makhumalo, I used to respect her because of the advice that she gave women, but right now I'm like, hey, I understand she's a head woman, but she's going through a lot and she's doing the most. Angazi ukuthi it's either Umseleko is trying to embarrass uMakhumalo or vele uMakhumalo is embarrassing himself. But either way, Makhumalo, we are doing the most. Yenza kakhulu sisi. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, subscribing. See you next time when I drop another banger. Bye.